Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury, technology, and performance, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury sedan, this video is for you. Mercedes-Benz has always set the bar high with the S-Class, and the 2025 model is no exception. The new design is sleek, aerodynamic, and undeniably elegant. With the signature Mercedes grille, digital light LED headlights, and a sculpted body, this car commands attention. But it's not just about looks. This beauty is built on the advanced MRA2 platform, making it smoother, more refined, and incredibly stable on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The MBUX hyperscreen, AI-powered controls, and a futuristic digital cockpit redefine modern driving. The executive rear seat package takes comfort to another level with reclining seats, a massage function, and customizable ambient lighting. It's like flying in first class, but on the road. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 S-Class offers multiple engine options, starting with a 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 producing 435 horsepower, paired with a mild hybrid system for extra efficiency and power. If that's not enough, you can opt for the 4.0L twin-turbo V8, delivering over 500 horsepower for an exhilarating drive. This is insane. The way this car glides on the road, it's smooth, it's powerful, and it's just pure luxury. Mercedes has nailed it once again. And of course, Mercedes takes safety seriously. With ADAS Level 3 self-driving technology, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and even a night vision system, the S-Class ensures maximum safety and peace of mind on every journey. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class starts at around $120,000, and if you go for the fully loaded version, it can easily exceed $150,000. So, if you're looking for the ultimate luxury sedan that blends comfort, technology, and performance, the 2025 S-Class is a masterpiece. What do you think about this flagship model? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exclusive car updates. See you in the next one. Stay safe and drive in style.